name's Ethan Larcombe from the band Sun Machine, a proud artist for Collision Drumsticks. I've been playing music for all of my life as I've grown up with a very musical family. I play with these 7A Reach Collision Drumsticks, and it's hard to find drumsticks that are durable as I play heavier music, but these hold up perfectly. They're very responsive, they feel like they were made for me really. The Reach option is extremely helpful and is something I've not seen in other companies utilise. Especially when your hands are getting sweaty and you've really got to fight for the sticks to stay in your hand, but now I can just focus on creating a better performance and not worrying about the sticks I'm using. The song I'm going to be playing is Sociopathic Wonderland from our newest release, which is a live album from our UK tour from our sold out show in Cambridge. Hope you enjoy.
I'm not the only victim. Running back to me is what it meant to be. Why won't you say something great? I feel your answer say everything is great. Help me to make something stay. Right down open my road and far away. Take away the pain from me.